Hi students, good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. So now in this class I am going to explain one of the new concept, new content, new topic in the mathematics. So now observe your student. Before we are going to the lesson, I will give some introduction. See, observe. Rakshita and Rekha. Rekha and Rakshita both are friends. Rekha and Rakshita. Rakshita both are friends, close friends. And they have one apple. Only one apple. And they have one apple. And they are decided. So we want to share equally. We want to share equally this apple. Means divide equally this apple. Okay. So then Rekha divide the apple into two equal parts. Into two equal parts. Are you understand? So here each equal part is, see, observe here and write dot. See, this is the apple. So we can cut into two equal parts. Each part is called fraction. Each part is called fraction. Okay, so both they get equal parts of apple. Are you understand? So one more example I will give for you. Okay, so here 8 close friends are there. Rekha, Rakshita and then 6 friends. Totally there are 8 friends. Okay, so here one cake is there. So that cake, they are equally divided into 8 parts. Equally divided into 8 parts. Imagine yourself that cake, it is in the shape of round. The cake, it is in the shape of round. Okay, so this cake divide into 8 equal parts. See, 8 equal parts. See here, this is 1 by 8, this is 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Are you understand? See, each part is called fraction. Okay, so equally divided into 8 parts. Equally divided into 8 parts. Each part is called fraction. So that is our lesson, fractions. Are you understand? See, this is 1 by 8. 1/8 means we can equally divide it into 8 parts. So that it is called 1/8. Are you understand? See, observe this one. Observe this example. So this all we can divide it into two equal parts. This all we can divide it into two equal part. Each equal part is called 1/2. Equally called 1/2. Are you understand? So this is 1/2. We should add these 1/2. We get 1 whole. 1 whole. Are you understand? So this is we call 1/2. 1/2. So we can express it as 1 by 2. It read as 1 by 2. 1 half or otherwise 1 by 2. So your whole can be divided into 2 equal parts. So 1 by 2. Are you understand, student? So then next we move on to see, observe. So this rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Each equal part is 1/3. We can represent it as 1/3. Each part is called fractions. Are you understand? See, observe. We can divide it. See, like that. Okay. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Okay. So 1/3. Are you understand? So we can divide. So 1 whole into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. This divided 1 whole into 3 equal parts. Each equal part is called 1/3. Are you understand? And it is read as 1 by 3 also. 1 by 3 or 1/3. Okay. So then we move on to a square is there. Otherwise here 1 apple is there. 1 apple. 1 apple. So 4 friends are 1 orange. Take orange fruits. Okay. In the orange fruits, divide into 4 equal parts. Why? Because there are 4 friends, close friends. Okay. So divide it into 4 equal parts. See, 4 equal parts. Are you understand? So this one we call it as 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. It read it as 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Okay. So the whole divided into 4 equal parts. That must be very important. Equal parts. See here, if the orange is there, so that one we can divide like that. So this is not equally divided. It is not equally divided. It is not called fractions. So we can divide. So the whole into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Each equal part is called fractions. Okay. So what is the definition of fractions? What is the definition of fractions? From these examples, tell me the definition of fractions. Okay. So fraction, it is a part of a whole. Fraction, it is a part of a whole. Fraction, it is a part of a whole. Part of a whole. That means, so we can divide the orange into 4 equal parts. See, observe. So this one part is called fraction. This is called fraction. Are you understand, student? Yes. So in the fraction, so there are 2 terms. One is numerator and denominator. Which is the numerator and which is the denominator? See, observe here. I will show that. So, numerator and denominator. A fraction has two parts. One is numerator and denominator. See, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So, here 1 is the numerator. Upside is there, no? That is numerator. Downside, that is denominator. This is called denominator. Denominator. This is numerator. Numerator. In this, 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Are you understand, student? So fraction. Fraction, it is a part of a whole. Fraction, it is a part of a whole. Are you understand? So now you observe. So we can shade the part of a figure. See, observe how to do this. One, two, three, four. Okay, so for we shading use so we can use color chart for shade the part of the rectangle. So one more color chalk I will use. Okay, student, observe clearly this one. Observe clearly. So your rectangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. Rectangle are divided into 5 equal parts. So in the out of 5 equal parts, how many parts we are shading? So there are 2 parts. 2 parts we are shading, so that we can return as this one 5 means 2 by 5. 2 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So out of 5 parts we can shade only for 2 parts. 2 parts. Okay, so this one as written in the form of fraction 2 by 5. So this is for only shaded portion. Okay, so we can express the unshaded portion, unshaded parts in the fraction. So this is for shaded part. So we can express for unshaded part. See, observe. Unshaded part. Here observe how many unshaded parts are there in this triangle. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. Out of 5, so 3 parts we are not shading. So we can express it in the fraction form 3 by 5. Are you understand, student? So some more examples we want to do here. See, observe. I will take some more examples. Write the fractions for the shaded part. There has only shaded part. Write the fractions. First I will write the figures. Write the fractions. So first question. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. So here we want to shade for 2. Shade this. Observe the figure. Okay. Then so this is first figure. Then second one. Observe here. Second one means B1. I will take this figure, divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. Shade. Do you understand? Next I will take third one. Third one. See, observe this. Okay. Shade. Like that. Do you understand? Next, I will take one more figure. See, D. Right. The figure is there like that. Observe the figure. Figure is there like that. You know the figure. It's very easy to write. Okay, so we are shading this. Shade. See, first observe the figure. Here we can divide the whole part into how many equal parts. First observe that. We can divide the whole part into how many equal parts. So first observe that. Observe the figure carefully. Are you understand, student? Yes. Okay. So now observe these figures. Observe these figures first. So in the first figure, it is in the rectangular form. Are you observing that? It is in the rectangular form. See, observe. A. It divided into 5 equal parts. Divided into 5 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it right? 5 equal parts. So how many parts we are shading? How many parts we are shading? Only 2 parts. Only 2 parts. So express this in the form of fractions. Write the shaded part in the form of fraction. Write in the form of fraction. How to write? Okay, so we are shading 2 parts so that we can written as 2 divided by 5. How to write it? 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by Fine. Are you understand? So now observe the triangle. So in the triangle can be divided into two equal parts. So we are shade only one part, so that we can write as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. So then observe this third figure. So the third figure also divided into two equal parts. Divided into two equal parts. We are shaded on only one part, so that we can write as 1 by 2. Are you understand? So then observe the figure B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can divide it into 6 parts. 6 equal parts. Okay. So we are shaded only for 3, so that it can be written as 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Okay students. See, observe student, in your textbook so many figures are there in that figures. Okay. So you shaded figures are there, so that figure, that examples, that problems, write in your one notebook. Write in your notebook and write the fraction for the shaded part. Write the fraction for the shaded part. Okay. And also one more method is there. Here observe, shade 1 by 2 of the given shade. See, next main, shade 1 by 2 of the given shapes. Given shapes. See, they given figure like that. Okay. So just they given like that. Your shade 1 by 2 of the given shape. Shade 1 by 2 of the given shape means here the circle divided into two equal parts. You shade for only one part. Shade only one part like that. Are you understand? Shade only for one part. Okay. So then next observe, shade 1 by 4 of the given shape. Shade 1 by 4 of the given shape. Observe here. Shade 1 by 4 of the given shape. See, they given figure like that. Okay. So this one is divided into 4 equal parts. This one is divided into 4 equal parts. They have shade 1 by 4 of the given shape. 1 by 4 of the given shape means here this whole part divided into 4 equal parts. So shade for only one part. Shade for only one part. Are you understand student? So this like problems is there in your textbook. So please practice yourself. All of you practice yourself. Okay students? Yes. Then write the fractions in word. One has been done for you. See. Write the fractions. Write the fractions in words. In words. See the given problems. 1 by 3. Write this in words. How to write? 1/3. How to write? 1/3. 1/3. Okay. Then second one, observe here. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Write in the words 1/7. 1/7. 1/7. Okay. Then 4 by 6. 4 by 6. This one has written 4/6. 4/6. 4/6. Are you understand, student? So this like problems also is there in your textbook. Please follow that fractions. And also in your textbook they given some more fractions. Write the numerator and denominator. Write the numerator and denominator. So that main also is there. Write the numerator and the denominator. See, observe here. I will give an example. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So the numerator is 9. Denominator is 10. Numerator is 9. Denominator is 10. You can write a like that also. So in your textbook is there. So observe that main and do all the problems. Okay, students, I think no doubt in this class. So it is a very easy lesson. Fractions, it is a fraction, it is a part of a whole. Part of a whole. Okay, so we can divide the whole into, if you want two equal parts, we can divide it 2 equal parts. If you want three equal parts. Are you understand, student? Okay. Thank you, students.